10 things we know are wrong. Eggs raise cholesterol. Wrong. Eating eggs significantly raises blood cholesterol levels and increases the risk of heart disease. Fact. While eggs do contain dietary cholesterol, numerous studies have shown that they have minimal impact on blood cholesterol for most people. The liver adjusts its own cholesterol production in response to dietary intake. In fact, eggs are an excellent source of protein and essential nutrients. However, those with specific conditions like familial hypercholesterolemia should monitor their intake. Cold weather causes illness. Wrong. Exposure to cold weather leads to colds and flu. Fact. The common cold and flu are caused by viruses, not cold weather. While colder temperatures might slightly weaken the immune system, making one more susceptible to infections, direct exposure to viruses is the primary cause of these illnesses. Washing hands frequently and avoiding close contact with sick individuals are the best preventive measures. Sugar makes children hyperactive. Wrong. Consuming sugar makes children uncontrollably hyperactive. Fact. Scientific studies have debunked this claim, showing no direct link between sugar consumption and hyperactivity in children. Behavioral changes often attributed to sugar are likely influenced by environmental factors, such as excitement during events where sugary foods are consumed. Spinach is the best source of iron. Wrong. Spinach is the ultimate iron-rich food, essential for preventing anemia. Fact. Although spinach contains iron, it is non-heme iron, which is less bioavailable. Moreover, the high oxalate content in spinach binds to iron, reducing its absorption. Iron-rich foods like red meat, poultry, and fortified cereals provide more readily absorbable iron. Detox diets are necessary to remove toxins. Wrong. Detox diets are essential for cleansing the body of harmful toxins. Fact. The liver and kidneys are naturally designed to eliminate toxins efficiently without the need for special detox diets or juices. While eating a balanced diet can support these organs, extreme detox plans offer no proven health benefits and may even be harmful. Microwaving food makes it radioactive. Wrong. Using a microwave oven makes food radioactive and unsafe to eat. Fact. Microwaves heat food using electromagnetic waves, but these waves do not make food radioactive. The technology is considered safe when used correctly and does not alter the nutritional value of food significantly. Drinking 2 liters of water a day is mandatory. Wrong. Everyone must drink exactly 2 liters, or 8 glasses, of water daily for optimal health. Fact. Hydration needs vary based on factors like age, activity level, and climate. Additionally, water from food and other beverages contributes to daily hydration. Listening to your body's thirst cues is the best guide. Salt should be completely avoided. Wrong. Consuming any salt is harmful and should be avoided entirely. Fact. Sodium is an essential mineral required for maintaining fluid balance, nerve function, and muscle contraction. While excessive salt can lead to high blood pressure, moderate consumption within dietary guidelines is safe and necessary. Butter is always harmful. Wrong. Butter is a dangerous food that should be avoided to prevent heart disease. Fact. Butter, especially from grass-fed sources, contains healthy fats and fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, and K2. Moderation is key, as excessive intake of saturated fats can increase cardiovascular risks. Eating late at night causes weight gain. Wrong. Eating food late at night leads to immediate weight gain. Fact. Weight gain occurs when calorie intake exceeds calorie expenditure, regardless of the time of day. Late-night snacking often involves high-calorie foods, which may contribute to weight gain, but the timing itself is not the issue. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more amazing content.